So let's say that you took a photo there is not there is not straight, and you want it to be straight.
This video is brought to you by Pisa Academy.
And you can use the tool that is called, the option that is called straighten, and it sits inside our control panel when we initialize the cropping tool. And it is this option right here. You can see this ruler right here, and it says straighten next to it. So if I just click on it, and now if I just tell Photoshop which line is supposed to be straight, Photoshop is going to rotate the whole composition, the whole canvas, the whole image in order to make that line, that line straight. So if I say, so let's say that this tower should be straight, and this line here, right here, should be kind of a straight. So I'm just going to try to click maybe from somewhere here to somewhere here. And if I now just release my mouse button, you can see that Photoshop is actually not only making it rotate to make our tower straight, but it's also cropping our composition. It's cropping our canvas in order to make everything fit inside our canvas properly. So if I now simply just click on our check mark, you can see that right now Photoshop has straightened our image and our composition, and our Leaning Tower of Pisa is leaning no more. So this is the original, and this is what it looks like right now with all the lines being straightened out. So maybe in order to understand this whole straightening thing a bit better, let me just make some arbitrary changes, maybe to my, actually it already is leaning. So we got the leaning tower, we had the leaning tower, now we have the leaning tractor right here. So let's say that I want to straighten this image out. Maybe let me just crop it even more, just like so. So let's say that I want to straighten this image out. So I'm gonna go to the control panel, I'm gonna grab the straighten tool right here, and this time let me just maybe zoom in a bit. So let me just maybe click somewhere here and move my line inline, make it inline with our horizon to somewhere here, just like so. And now, as you can see, Photoshop has straightened the image. And of course, if we want to, we can still manipulate it, maybe rotate it even more if we want to. But if you want to leave it up to Photoshop, we can just use the straighten option right here, tell Photoshop which line is supposed to be straight, and then just click OK right here. So there you go. These are the most basic, but actually the most effective ways of using the crop tool. So in the next video, we are actually going to sum up these cropping videos, so you can maybe remember them just a bit better.